This is video number 4 of the Personnomial series. If promotions and demotions were to be accurately recorded globally, there would most likely be a direct correlation between these and movement in the property industry, albeit slight. The domino effect of various factors upon each other should not be underestimated, and has a direct effect on the number of times that people move in their lifetimes. Nowadays, property moves and the associated market fluctuations dictate economic policy to such an extent that governments in democratic countries are often elected or deselected, often purely on a housing or interest rate policy that would make property ownership a more realistic option. If you live in a country with a strong property market that has a tendency to dictate government policy, you are, unwittingly or otherwise, also at the mercy of every Tom, Dick and Harry opportunist, eagerly waiting for the moment when your paths will cross. If you want to maximise your chances of choosing your next home efficiently, you need to understand your place in the system and the people in the chain that are going to try and take your money away from you in the process, all in the name of customer service. If you understand your role in the system, you'll be able to spot the opportunists, avoid appearing vulnerable, stay in control, and prevent your bank balance from disappearing quicker than a fox escaping a henhouse. Beady eyes are upon the unaware vendor and buyer. The assumption in the industry is that whether you are a buyer or seller, you will have disposable income for myriad purchases. A seller may have money from the capital released in the sale for large purchases that might have otherwise involved a loan, and a buyer will probably need to spend some money when he moves into a new property. Where the money comes from is totally irrelevant. It comes from the financial system and is redistributed back into the same system, ready to fuel more activity in the property market. There are hundreds of thousands of businesses, employees and workers, not to mention government departments, just waiting in the wings for your decision to move house. Be patient, be calm, and fight for control of your finances. Or accept the alternative, a total submission and a poorer future than you would otherwise have had.